Welcome to YOUCANIC. Here we have a BMW model year 2013, and this is a 3 Series ActiveHybrid, and we're going to take a look at the hybrid battery and some of the live values for the hybrid battery. So if you go to BMW, you're going to Smart VIN, or you can select the model manually, but Smart VIN will just select it for you. Pull the VIN of the vehicle. Then the scanner will turn off the ignition for a few seconds and turn it back on. So what we're going to do is we're going to run a full scan. You can manually select any of the control modules that are on the car, but if we run a full scan, it's going to go through all the control units and tell us if there's any fault codes, as you can see. So we're going to give that a couple of minutes, and then we'll take a look at the battery management system. So the scan is complete, and then you can see there is no full codes on any of the control modules. But if you have a hybrid and you're having issues, it's not starting, or you just want to check the health of your battery, you want to go look at the health of the hybrid battery. Go to look at the hybrid battery control unit, which is so you want to come through the battery management electronics, or SME control unit. And then you can read codes, but in this case there's going to be no codes. But what you can do is look at live data. Here is where you can check things of status of the contactors, or like different cell voltages. You can look at high voltage cooling system, high voltage contactors. So if you're having issue, your hybrid is not starting, the contactors need to be closed in order for the hybrid system to work. If they're open, it's like an open circuit, so there's an issue. High voltage safety, you can look at those values as well. And then there's one other thing you want to look at, the electrical machine electronics, EME. This control module as well works together with the hybrid battery to get your for the system to work. So there's a lot of systems values that you can check in here as well. Insulation, high voltage insulation is okay. A lot of times there's an issue with that, then you have problems with the hybrid system. And yeah, so check those, and also the DC converter values as well. So those are two things you want to check. Check the electrical machine electronics, EME, and then the battery management electronics, SME. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC.